The Goa shipyard land in the LA and many various issues are. So we are taking up some more issues. Proposals are so let us see. Any other matters like worksman compensation case on excess and some issues.
Goa shipyard ki exact?
Goa shipyard they are asking us. We got SEZ lane. They are asking us 2 lakh square meters, which we have there, and they want to start. I mean, the condition gatla that we will give you that land, and we will give you at the rate of 4,000 rupees a square meter, and we are going to ask for 50% job reservations for Goans, plus procurements will be at least 15% from MSMSE. And we have tell them the CSR एक दाखलो unit घालपाक, I mean institute घालपाक, and institutean आमगे भुरग्यांक हे करपाक skill development करपाक. So all these conditions we have put there.
So you vikta the property. So you are selling that property to
Goa Shipyard. Government of India undertaking of Goa Shipyard.
So how?
But I mean condition करना कि previously we have had bad experience with them that they are not giving jobs to locals. We have put condition that minimum 15% of the job in that link where Kerala, Karnataka, and they have compulsion of a local language. Compulsion of local language, 50% above the cost per sector. So yeah, I mean demand, I mean condition gatla taka. And not only condition, I am saying कि adopt the the procedure where they are having in Cochin, this Kerala and Karnataka and Maharashtra.
कितने revenue यातलं तुमको तो land है?
Around 35 crores.
Okay.
81 crores.
But after the land already in their possession?
No, our possession.
Okay.
It is SEZ recovered land.
No major decision as such. It is a routine board meeting wherein we encourage good industry to come. Policies change for budget. म्हणजे विशेष असे खास सांगपाचे काय ना. आम्ही आधीच सांगपाक सोदना कितें आम्ही डिसिजन घेता ते. त्याचा निकाल फुडारा येतलो आणि बरो येतलो इतलें सांगपाक शकता.